Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng triple data plus 75 for videos and smart and TNT SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, sa pinakang dial, ida-dial lang natin is asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And dito naman guys, piliin natin yung number 5 which is yung giga/araw-araw data. So type natin yung number 5 and then send. And then guys, dito naman is yung number 1, piliin natin yung giga. Type 1 then send. And piliin natin dito guys, yung number 3, which is yung triple data plus. So, type natin yung number 3, then send. So, ayan guys, piliin natin is number 1, which is yung video. So, type 1, then send. And lastly guys, piliin natin dito yung number 1, yung 4 gigabytes for 3 days for only 75 pesos. So, type lang natin yung number 1 and then tap send. And ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng triple data plus 75 para sa video, makakakuha tayo ng total of 75 gigabytes. So, 4 gigabytes plus 1 gigabyte sa video araw-araw. So, total of 3 gigabytes na yon plus only calls and text for 3 days for only 75 pesos. So, para ma-subscribe guys, type lang natin yung number 1 and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng triple data plus 75 para sa video sa smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life